catalog of TYA is diverse, and the Coterie has been at the forefront of that diversity since 1979, since its founding. And so it's fitting that we can create this play about disability for the disability community and with the disability community here at one of the leading TYA companies in the United States. I have been working in children's theater for 25 years, but I have a lived experience as a person with a disability, cerebral palsy, walking with forearm crutches. And so to do a production that highlights the beauty of disability joy and does it with such collaborative spirit with a company that I have admired from afar for a long time and have wanted to collaborate with is a true dream come true. It's really also poignant that this company can be on the forefront of creating what I hope can be a whole catalog of TYA pieces about disability, because TYA is a very important tool in helping others understand that we're not all that different from one another. We're actually very similar, and we just have a different way of telling that story and telling who we are.